Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2024 Mercedes-Maybach Night Series. This limited edition sedan is the epitome of luxury and exclusivity, and I can't wait to share all the details with you. Exterior design. First up, let's talk about that stunning exterior. The Night Series is all about dark elegance. It's draped in a deep obsidian black paint job, with all the usual chrome accents replaced by a sleek black chrome finish. This gives the car a stealthy, almost Batmobile-like look. Pino. The 20-inch forged alloy wheels are also unique to the Night Series, and they're absolutely gorgeous. They have a multi-spoke design with a high-gloss black finish, and they really set the car apart. Interior design. But the real magic happens inside. The cabin of the Night Series is a masterpiece of luxury. It's bathed in soft Nappa leather, with diamond quilted stitching and EO copyright as C Cedilla FA ring superscripto section currency .SF 1/2. The seats are A-ring registered 1/2 ZI diaresis 1/4 A diaresis 3/4 FA ESE pounds A EO copyright SF 1/2 I diaresis 1/4 A-ring Z apostrophe A diaresis superscript 1 A-ring registered sense E inverted question mark A-ring macron A diaresis yen A diaresis superscripto A-ring macron E degrees FESE dot inverted question mark A-ring apostrophe O A-ring Z A-ring diaresis plus minus A diaresis superscript 1 C Cedilla cubed C Cedilla. There are also a bunch of tech features to keep you entertained on the go. The dual 12.3-inch touchscreens are responsive and easy to use, and the Burmester sound system is simply incredible. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Night Series is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces 496 horsepower and 516 pounds-feet of torque. That's enough to launch this big sedan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. But the Night Series isn't just about speed, it's also about smoothness and comfort. The air suspension soaks up any bumps in the road, and the E-copyright 3/4 C copyright Velcro E 3/4 A-ring S copyright C Cedilla cubed C Cedilla makes driving a breeze. So, what do I think of the 2024 Mercedes-Maybach Night Series? It's an absolute stunner. It's everything you could ever want in a luxury sedan, and then some. If you're looking for the ultimate in automotive opulence, this is the car for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this look at the 2024 Mercedes-Maybach Night Series. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car content.